Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Just a quick little update. I got my Iceman order in, and this is the engine that I'm building. It's the one that I want to try and fit into the 50 Chevy. I'm getting some paint on it. I want to get it assembled because I might have to fabricate some motor mounts in the chassis in here. When I was test fitting, I guess you could call this a mock-up V8 engine. It looks like it will rest right here on this front cross member, but I don't know that I want it to do that. I might try to make me some little motor mounts right here. I don't know, we'll see. But I wanted to get the engine painted and get it assembled so that I can get the frame. I want to get the frame painted. I've got it pretty cleaned up. It's looking pretty decent. And I made a change on the bed, and I went ahead and just, if you guys remember, I had a little bit of the bed left running in here, and I just didn't like the look of that. And I was actually doing a video chat with at the garage with Zippy, well, Bob over there, and we've been chatting every now and then, and he's a good guy, and anytime I've asked him a question or asked for help, he's been quick to reply. And so yeah, if you guys are subscribed to me and not subscribed to him, get over and check out his channel. I'll put a link in the description. But I appreciate your help there, Bob, and yeah, this looks a lot cleaner. I was gonna make me a wheel well, but I think I'm gonna leave it open because of the things I've got going on with the frame. I think it'll look a little better. We'll see, maybe not. But yeah, guys, just a quick little update here. I've got the rear end painted. I've got the intake painted. It's drying. Got the valve covers, the turbo, the tubing, plumbing for the turbo. I have to do some detail, a little bit of detail painting, but I just wanted to get some paint on there. I've got a couple of more parts that I need to get painted. One of them's a starter. The other one, I'm not sure what it is. I don't know if it's a fuel pump or what. And then that little disc there is a cover for the distributor. But yeah, it's coming along. I'm really excited. I hope it turns out how I have envisioned. So we'll see. Oh, real quick, the other thing I got from Iceman is the LSA motor. They put this in late model ZL1 Camaros. Really nice stuff, guys. I know you all have heard about Iceman. A lot of you are customers. I did get some tires, but when I put them together, they're nowhere near the size that I want. They're way too small, so I'm going to end up using them probably on a different project. But yeah, nice stuff, and we'll see how this twin turbo LS goes together and how it looks when I get it in there. So anyway, we'll keep you posted. I hope you all are having a good weekend. It looks like I'm going to be getting quite a bit of bench time this weekend, so as I make some progress, I'll post another video. We'll talk to you all later. Bye-bye.